Well, hello guys, welcome to Sit for Stuff. This is my first ever video. This is my first video in front of a webcam. So let's try to figure this out. I think I'm planning to make a video on Python Anaconda. So I think it's a distribution of Python. Basically, Anaconda is a distribution of Python where it has got its own package manager called Conda. So let's try and learn about Anaconda in more detail today. So I think before we begin, I just want to just welcome you guys to my channel because this is my first ever video on YouTube. So let's go. So before we begin, I just want to sort of remove my Python from path so that we can actually explore stuff. I'm just searching for some other stuff. So it's in this path, so let's just delete it so that we have an idea as to what's coming with the Anaconda distribution. So yeah, I think this is it. Maybe let's just try to figure things out. So after removing the Python from path, beginners can just follow this. If somebody has recommended you to install Anaconda, I think then you can just follow from now on, because Anaconda has its own distribution of Python which comes with a lot of pre-built modules. So just head on to the Anaconda website, just click actually this is the home page that you will come across. Just hit on get started, and after that just head on to this page, Anaconda as download page, and just choose your operating system and download the installer. And for me it's just the 64-bit version of the installer, and I think I've installed the Anaconda already, and as you can see I've installed the Anaconda. I think the Anaconda setup is just go with the default settings. Just don't change anything. After that, just open the Anaconda's prompt. That's what I'd recommend. And basically what Anaconda comes with is a package manager of its own called the Conda, and we're going to see what we are getting with the Anaconda. I told you, Anaconda comes with a lot of pre-installed modules for us, and I'm showing you with the help of this command called conda list. As you can see, you're getting a lot of Python modules. So basically what Anaconda is trying to do is it's catering all of these modules for guys who are interested in data science, ML and AI. As you can see, we've got packages which are more frequently used by them, like the Numpy, Pandas. These are stuff that are regularly used in those fields. And also we've got Jupyter here. Jupyter, I think those of you who know about Jupyter, I think it's as you can see now we are getting Jupyter with you as well. Now let's try to open Jupyter. I think to just open Jupyter, you just hit Jupyter Notebook, and it'll open. It'll set up a server in your local host, and you can see the Jupyter open. The Jupyter is now running, and I just don't want this, so I'll just quit here. And I wanted to show you the Python stuff that you'll get pre-installed. So I think as you can see, the Python version is 3.8.8, and we can check where the Python is currently. So where is Python? As you can see, it's in the Anaconda's directory as well. So this is it, guys. We have successfully installed Anaconda. Yeah, and I think those of you guys who are familiar with the regular Python and the pip stuff, I think you guys just don't need Anaconda, I feel, because you're already familiar with all these stuff over installing Python modules. Yeah, thank you guys.